Good morning, and welcome to another edition of Mindful Monday. I'm Katie Harrison with the University Counseling Center. I'm a licensed professional counselor and supervisor in the state of Mississippi and the assistant director here at your counseling center. You may be sitting at your computer or in your office feeling bombarded with notifications, information, and distractions that may make it seem difficult to find moments of peace. This usually leaves us feeling overwhelmed, unfocused, and drained. By focusing on the power of sound, we can train our mind to be present and focused in the moment. We can also improve our concentration by promoting a state of relaxation and reducing distractions. Sound provides such a powerful sensation to our bodies, minds, and souls. Just think of the goosebumps that you get when your favorite song comes on, or the peace that washes over you when you hear a calming stream or waterfall. This morning, I'll be leading you in a mindfulness bell meditation exercise. Now, typically, mindfulness bells come in the form of Japanese temple bells, chimes, or Tibetan singing bowls, like the one I have here. But today, I'm going to be using a mindfulness app called Insight Timer. I personally use this app in my own life and find it easy to use with a lot of different options for guided meditations, sounds, and mindfulness activities. And it's free to download from the App Store. So I want you to find a comfortable position, either seated in your chair with your feet on the floor, or you can lie down flat on your back. Make sure that you're in a quiet area, free of distractions or any interruptions. Once we start the meditation, you'll hear a beginning bell. I want you to begin to focus on the sound of the bell while breathing in and out slowly to a pace that's comfortable for you. Notice the sensations in your body, and if your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the sound of the bell, listening until you can no longer hear it. Remember, keep your breath work steady and rhythmic. Are you ready to begin? You may close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on the sound of your breath. Let's begin. Okay, so reflecting on that experience, what did you notice? Was it difficult to stay focused? It usually is if you're new to meditation, and that's okay. The more you practice, the better you become. Just remember to start small. You can incorporate mindfulness sounds like the bell into your daily activities, like walking, cleaning, or even before bedtime to improve the quality of your sleep. However you choose to be more mindful in life, be sure to give yourself grace. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful Monday.